Devi Jindal School in Hisar, and which is organizing a Jindal Literary Festival in the school campus. With me is Mr. Amitabh Singh Baghel, who is the director of this festival. डॉक्टर साहब, ये जो फेस्टिवल हो रहा है, ये क्या इसका कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे आया और क्या इसका विजन है?
See, the original idea generated with Deepika Jindal, who is the chairperson of Vidya Devi Jindal School. She proposed the idea of hosting a literature festival in Haryana. And when we think of Haryana, we think of industries, we think of agriculture, we think of educational institutions, academic institutions, but we do not think in terms of literature festivals. So there was sufficient ground over here, and that empty ground has been covered. Like Jindals have been pioneers in all fields. They have now become pioneers in the field of literature by bringing in the idea of the first Jindal Literature Festival, and I'm so glad that it's starting from Vidya Devi Jindal School.
Is this festival meant for the students of the VDJS, or there will be larger audience from other institutions and other areas in Haryana?
This festival is meant for the public at large. The fact that it originates in a girls' school, we will have a process of registration. All are welcome after having followed the process of registration, and the fact that we are not charging any registration fee, that in itself proves that it's open for everyone. We are sending out invitations to people who are part of the civil society of Hisar and outside in Haryana. Along with that, we are welcoming people to come, because we are going to be placing hoardings outside. You are going to be writing in your newspaper. So this information is going to be disseminated amongst the audience, and people will read and come, and they can get themselves registered and come and watch the festival.
How do you see the future of this event, literary festival, in context of Haryana, which is not known for its literary taste?
I think I've answered that question, because Haryana, I will not say that it's not known for its literary taste. There is enough literary taste in Haryana, but we just need to give them exposure by bringing in all those people who've been writing and working in the field of literature.
Will there be some literary figures from Haryana, and will there be some literature from Haryana in this festival?
There will be Haryana-based literature in the festival.
But right now there are no
right now
writers
in the first. This is just the first edition, and we invite and we welcome people from Haryana to come with us with their proposals. We will screen the proposal and definitely invite people from Haryana to participate in the second edition, because the fact that when you call something a festival and not an event, that means it's going to happen year after year. जैसे दशहरा है, दिवाली है, क्रिसमस है, ईद है, ये साल दर साल आते हैं, वैसे ही फेस्टिवल भी ये साल दर साल होगा.
As we talked earlier, जो youth है आज, youth is shifting from literature, written books to the reels, social media and WhatsApp forwards. How do you see as a literary figure? How do you plan and see to attract those youth to book again? Because the reading habits are declining.
Not only youth, I am saying that with the implosion of technology in various fields, we see a lot of distractions, if we may call them, in terms of short content which is being created. So a lot of people they go and watch that content. But at the same time, I do not agree that the habit of reading is declining. If the habit of reading was declining, we would not have new publishers coming on the platform year after year. We would not have increase in the sales of books year after year. So the habit of reading is not declining. There are other things which are happening alongside, and it's not happening only with the youth. Youth are reading a lot. It's happening with adults also.